This is my first Facebook Live. Oh my God. I'm doing a Facebook Live because I just got hit this morning while driving to work. I got hit by this car. This man here hits my car because people try to recognize this. It's my car, not because I cut him off. I'm driving reckless on the highway. He hits my car because I'm black. I still can't believe this shit. I'm driving on the Bell Parkway to go to work. And I'm listening to my reggae like I always do. Anybody know me know I love my music. So I'm driving to work this morning. And man hits my car. This is my car. First he says he doesn't feel like I should be driving a Lexus because I'm black. Drugs. Don't sell drugs. I'm a nurse. Get it together. So he hits my car and take off. So we do a high-speed chase on the highway. Yeah. I can't believe it.
What's the matter?
I just can't believe somebody hit my car because I'm black. I can't. Like, I'm still in shock. I'm still in shock that someone hits my car because I am black. This is what he told me. His exact words to me is, "You are a fucking nigger. I'm gonna Trumpanize you today and you need to go back to Africa." He hits my car and I'm gonna record him. I'm going to record him because I can't believe someone would actually hit me because I am a nigger. This is the man who called me a nigger and says he's gonna send me back to Africa and he's gonna Trumpanize me today. This is the man, people. This is his Vermont license plate. If you guys recognize him. He says he hit me because I'm a nigger. Do you believe this shit? Wait a minute. Oh, the nigga did it. Oh. So I did a high-speed chase because I'm Jamaican too. So I chased him from exit 9 on the Bell Parkway, and we are now at the Verrazano Bridge. This nigger chased him down. This nigger chased him down. Why are you not calling me a nigger now? Why are you not calling me a nigger now? Trump, I hope you come and get him. He said he making you send me back to Africa. I need a free trip. Come and get him, Trump. Come and get him. Come and get him. Send me back to Africa. Officer, I had to tape it. I can't believe you hit my car because I'm black. I can't believe he hits my car because I am a nigger. I am black. So he hits my car. Yo, I just have to laugh at this. And then he goes, "Oh, she's driving a fucking Lexus. That fucking nigger sells drugs." No. I work 5 days a week. I work hard too. I work hard. I have a lot of kids to support, so I work very hard. But I can't even, oh my God, words can't even describe how I feel. I felt racism many, many times, but to feel racism to where, and look how many officers out here. And they feel like I shouldn't have chased this mother effer. Let me not curse because my kids is on my Facebook. They feel like I should not chase him. I was wrong for chasing him after he hit my car, pennies at me, and tried to get away, and I shouldn't have chased him. No, you wasn't going to hit my car. You wasn't going to call me a nigger and told me that's the reason you hit my car and drive away and I don't chase you. No, you got it twisted. I'm going to catch you. You're not going to damage my property and tell me I sell drugs and I shouldn't be driving a Lexus, okay? That I work hard for, busting my ass for, and think you're going to drive away and go back to or wherever the freak you're from and think I'm not going to catch your ass, okay? Don't underestimate a female driver. I used to race. I have a lot of brothers, so I used to race their cars. Don't underestimate a female driver. But I honestly can't that he hit my baby. Look at my baby. She all fucked up now. Look at my poor Lexus. We all fucked up now. I'm black. Trump, you better come get him. I'm a citizen. You better come get him. Because I'm going to send him back up under his mother. So you better come get him, Trump. You better come get him.